Hello and welcome back. So today this is part number 1. This is going to be a 4-part series and it's going to be about skin cycling. So this is something new that I've been doing for the last few months, and what it is basically every night. It's a different thing that you're doing every night. So night number 1 is exfoliation. Night number 2 is retinol. Night number 3 and number 4 are hydration. So tonight is night number 1. Your mornings are going to stay the exact same. Nothing's going to change in the morning routine part of your skincare. Just nighttime is going to change. This has been pretty game changing for my skin. It has been really cleared it up. It's helped with my acne. It's helped with scarring and just making my skin a little bit clearer. So tonight I'm going to show you day number 1, which would be the exfoliation. So I'm going to be using, there's 2 kinds of ways that I like to exfoliate. I either like to use a chemical facial peel or I like to use a scrub. So tonight I'm going to use a scrub. The chemical exfoliate that I would use if I was using one would be the Time Wise Repair chemical exfoliate. And then tonight what I'm going to use is the Microdermabrasion Refine. So I already washed my face. That's what I started with. So before I came in here, I already washed my face with a 3-in-1 cleansing bar. So I love that bar. So whatever your cleanser of choice is, just make sure you cleanse your face first. And next we're going to exfoliate. So getting rid of some of that dead skin is so important. So here we go. We're gonna dig in. I have a bowl here, so don't mind my little makeshift skincare over on this side, but I'm gonna do it with you. So first what I like to do is just dampen my face. Get my face nice and damp, nice and wet. Okay, all right. Okay, now I'm gonna take the Microdermabrasion. So you don't need a ton, just a little bit. So I don't know, what would that be? 2 pea sizes? So take that and now you can scrub it all over your face. So you can apply as much pressure or as little pressure as you want. What I recommend is about at least 10 to 15 seconds on each area of your face. So 10 to 15 seconds on each cheek. Same thing for your chin, your nose, and your forehead. So this is incredible. I love this scrub because you can actually feel it working. You can feel it getting in and getting the junk out from underneath your pores. So a lot of times our cleansers, they only get the very top layer. We do need some sort of exfoliation regularly to get the dead skin out, to make sure we get all the bacteria. Okay, so make sure when you are scrubbing this on your face, if you feel like it's too gritty, you can always add more water. So add a little bit more water. Like I said, you can press as hard as you want or as little as you want. This is a spot that so many people miss, is right in here inside your nose. Make sure you get that. All right. Once you feel like you've pretty much scrubbed it, got it good, then you can go ahead and rinse this all off. So because I, again, have this in here in my office, I have a washcloth with me, so that's how I'm going to remove this today. My favorite place to use the Microdermabrasion is in the shower. So I keep this in the shower, and again, this, just because it's a scrub too, it does not replace your cleanser. So make sure you're still cleansing your face before you exfoliate, because we want to make sure we getting rid of the very top layer of gunk and stuff that's on top. So especially the toxins, the dead skin of the dander from yourself, your animals, the people that you've been around, all that stuff is all sitting on top of your pores. So it's important that you clean your face first and then exfoliate so that it can truly get in underneath and get all that nasty junk out, not just your daily wear and tear. All right, so I'm just making sure this is all off. The Microdermabrasion can be a little tricky too. So if you've ever used it before, sometimes it wants to stay on your face. So that's why I like to use it in the shower the very most. All right. Okay, now I got that all off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna dry my skin. So one thing, the reason I actually use Mary Kay Skincare is because it is European Union tested, which is really, really important, because here in the United States, we don't have any regulations on anything that can go on our skin, or any of the ingredients that are really in skincare. So it's important that whatever you're putting on your face is tested by EU standards. So no matter if you use Mary Kay or what you use, make sure that it has some regulations like EU standards. So that is the main reason, one of the main things that I love about Mary Kay. But I used to have cystic acne back before I started. So actually, next month, I will have been in Mary Kay for 5 years. So for 5 years now, I have used these products. I used the products actually before I joined as well. So I used them before for about 8 months before I signed up. And I actually only signed up because I wanted the discount, because I was like, these products are awesome. They cured my cystic acne and I wanted the discount. So that's actually why I had signed up. I'm going to keep going as I'm talking. I'm going to put on next the HA and Ceramide. So this is a booster. It's a clinical solutions booster that I am in love with. Absolutely loving this stuff. HA stands for hyaluronic acid, and ceramide. So those are both two incredibly hydrating ingredients. Okay. So I'm going to add just a little bit of that on my fingers and spread it all over my face. So this is a booster. It is going to really increase the moisture in your face and the amount of hydration that your skin is locking in. So especially if you have a broken barrier or anything like that, this is an incredible ingredient to add in. Incredible ingredient to add into your skincare routine. So I love the HA ceramide. It's for hydrating. That's the main purpose of this ingredient. All right, next I'm putting on Pore Minimizer, which comes with the Microdermabrasion Refine. So the Refine and the Minimizer, this is a set. It's called the Microdermabrasion set. So you use this in the shower, the Refine, and then afterwards you use the Pore Minimizer. So if you don't use the HA booster that I was just showing, then you just skip right to the Pore Minimizer. Okay, so this is gonna minimize your pores, suck them up, make your face feel real soft. So you only need a squirt of that. All right, so anyway, I started Mary Kay because I ended up falling in love with the products. And that is why I still am here today making videos and sharing the products and things like that. And actually, that's why I love social media so much and this platform so much, is because I'm able to share with you guys all of these incredible products, and they're not just for older ladies. That is always what I had the perception of Mary Kay, is that it was like makeup, just makeup, and that's it. And it was for, like your grandma. That's not the case. So I hope that me sharing some of this is able to show you that these are incredible products that have and deliver incredible results. Okay, so that was the Pore Minimizer that I just used. Next, we are going to hydrate, and I have some eye cream. That's it. That's all I have left. So first I'll put on my eye cream. The eye cream I'm going to use today is the firming eye cream. So you can see it just squirts right out. I'm going to use my ring fingers. Whenever you apply eye cream, make sure you always use your ring fingers. Our ring fingers are the most delicate fingers. This is you'll actually be able to see a little bit of an instant firming immediately when you apply this. And then you can feel the hydration. That is what I love the most about this eye cream, is how hydrating it is. You might even be able to tell. I don't know, maybe you can see a difference here between my two eyes with just applying it. But you can definitely feel a difference. So make sure to, whenever you're applying any kind of face, anything, so any kind of skincare around your eyes, so the cleanser, the serums, the booster, the microdermabrasion, all that stuff, we do not want to get that too close to your eyes. So try to picture that you have like a little bit of a ring around your eyes, and nothing goes inside that ring unless it is eye cream or it is the oil-free eye makeup remover. So that's it. Those are the only two products that you want to use to clean around your eye area. So before I came on here, I told you I cleansed my skin. So before you cleanse your skin, that's when you want to remove your makeup. So removing my makeup, my favorite way to remove my eye makeup, like I just said, is the oil-free eye makeup remover. Don't think I have one on here right now. I do not. It's in my bathroom, but it's probably my favorite product that Mary Kay has. It's like the best-selling product that we have. But anyway, you want to make sure that you're using eye-specific products, because other products are not meant to be used around your eyes. They're too hydrating or too abrasive, things like that are meant for your skin. But your skin is picture your skin as wrapping paper. And underneath your eyes, that's going to be more like a damp tissue paper. So when you're applying things to your face and you're pulling and you're tugging and you're moving around your eyes, that's how I want you to picture, like if that were tissue paper, how how gentle would I have to be when I'm moving it around? So be really, really careful there. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using the purple gel. I love this stuff, especially in the winter time when my face is really dry. This is the oil-free hydrating gel, but I have oily skin, so if you have normal to dry skin, there's a pink one. It's the intense hydrating gel. So you get to either pick the oil-free, which is going to be a little bit lighter, or the intense, which is going to be a little bit more creamy. So I'm going to take a little bit of this and apply it all over my face. And I'm going to bring it down my neck too. So anytime you are applying any skincare, applying it to your neck and your chest is always going to be advised, because we do get wrinkly on our neck and our chest before we get wrinkly on our face. So we want to make sure that we are taking care of that area. So keep that in mind, especially if you have any extra product left over. Like if you accidentally put on a little bit too much moisturizer or something like that, take it, put it on a dry elbow, put it somewhere. Don't waste it. So anyway, tonight, this was just night number 1 of the this whole routine. So tune back in with me, because I am going to continue to show you skin cycling. So night 1 of skin cycling was exfoliation. So like I told you, you can do this a couple different ways. You can do it with, like I did tonight, like the gritty exfoliate, or you can use a chemical exfoliate. So the chemical exfoliate that I told you I would recommend is the Repair Peel. I'll link these down below too. So down in the description, I'll put down there all the products that I used and all the other options as well. So tomorrow night, tune back in with me, because tomorrow I will be showing you the retinol. Excuse me. So retinol is going to be tomorrow night. That's night number 2. It's the Pure Retinol Clinical Solutions set. So tune back in with me for that. But again, this is a series. It's a 4-part series, skincare series. And they're all nighttime routines. So I hope you tune back in with me and learn a little bit more about skin cycling and what it is and what it does and why you want to try it out. But thanks for tuning in with me. Make sure you subscribe down below if you have not already subscribed. If you want to shop the products that I have talked about, check down below in the description, and my link is down there as well. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.